Paper shapes on the floor, red and yellow, blue and more. Cut and fold, snip, snip, snip. Let's make a bus for a happy trip. Hey, a bus, bus, rolling away, made with paper every day. Round, round wheels go zoom, 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 driving through the craft room. Big square window shining bright, little paper lights at night. Fold the doors and stick the wheels, look how magical it feels. Hey, a bus, bus, rolling away, made with paper every day. Round, round wheels go zoom, 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 driving through the craft room. Tiny seats all in a row, paper trees beside the road. Happy bus says beep, 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 wake the city from its sleep. Cut it, fold it, glue it tight, build a bus with colors bright. Shapes and blocks can come alive, everybody jump inside. Yeah, bus, bus, rolling away, made with paper every day. Zooming fast and looking bright, paper buses are delight. Wave goodbye, the trip is done. Making buses is such fun. Paper